Guys, we're going to clean the terminals on our 2013 Toyota Tundra today. Make sure you have your safety goggles on and gloves. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and disconnect the terminals. A lot of people just pour stuff on them, but you have to clean. You have to clean in there pretty good. So what we got here, we got one of these little terminal post cleaners. And we'll have this out ready. I'll show you how that works. We'll have these, we'll put on when we're done. Okay, the first thing you want to do, you want to take off these terminals. Okay, loosen them up. Make sure you have your safety goggles on and gloves because you're touching acid. Okay, so you're gonna want to take your ground off first. If you take your positive off first and your ground's still attached, and if this touches something, it'll make a spark. It could damage your computer on your vehicle. So go ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and sometimes this will come loose by itself. This one's loose, but we need this one loose first. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this stuff on. We'll spray it again. So I'll put the price, I'll put the links for this, but it's battery cleaner. It neutralizes acid. So turns pink on contact with acid, removes corrosion, neutralizes acid, prolongs battery life, improves starting power. The cleaner your terminals are, the easier it is for it to make a good connection, and it's gonna start up good. So we're gonna let that sink in a little bit. It says let that sit for 2 to 4 minutes, so we'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna take this one off. This is a stubborn little guy. That is on there, all that corrosion needs to come loose. Okay, so we got it loose. We're gonna take it off, and we're gonna keep cleaning it. So we have this off. We'll go ahead and take this one off. Okay, I'm gonna keep spraying that. The reason why I took them off and sprayed both is because when you get this guy, you can take it off. This is for cleaning in here. Close your eyes. Want to clean that out real good. I'm gonna clean these terminals with this. Now you're gonna go ahead and spray it off with some water. Okay, so I'm gonna clean these up a little bit. We're gonna put these little things, caps over the ends, protectors. When you go back to remount them, you always mount your positive first. No spark. If you try to put the ground on first and then put this on, it will spark and it can mess up your computer. So we got your positive on, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down. Nice and snug. We'll go ahead and attach our ground. And if you're real smart, just rub a little grease on here so it can kind of block you getting debris on top of there, and just to keep it clean. If you like the video, like and subscribe.